In the heart of the dense forest, there stood a secluded cabin, long abandoned and shrouded in mystery. It was said that the cabin was cursed, haunted by the restless spirits of those who had met a tragic end within its walls. One stormy night, a group of thrill-seekers decided to spend the night in the cabin, eager to test their courage against the legends that surrounded it. Among them was Alex, a skeptic who scoffed at the idea of ghosts and curses. As the group settled in for the night, strange things began to happen. Shadows danced in the corners of the room, and whispers echoed through the halls, chilling them to the bone. Ignoring the signs of danger, Alex ventured deeper into the cabin, determined to prove that there was nothing to fear. But as he explored the darkened rooms, he felt a sense of unease settle over him, as if he were being watched by unseen eyes. Suddenly, a blood-curdling scream pierced the night, shattering the silence like glass. Racing to investigate, Alex and the others discovered a hidden room beneath the cabin, its walls adorned with strange symbols and symbols of worship. As they studied the room, they realized that they were not alone. A malevolent presence lurked in the shadows, its rage palpable in the air. And as they tried to flee, they found themselves trapped within the cabin's walls, unable to escape the horror that awaited them. In their final moments, Alex and the others understood the true nature of the cabin's curse. It was not merely a haunted house, but a gateway to the realm of the dead, where vengeful spirits roamed free, seeking to claim the souls of the living. And as the first light of dawn broke through the clouds, the cabin stood silent once more, its secrets buried beneath the forest floor, waiting for another group of unsuspecting victims to unleash its terror upon the world. अगर यह वीडियो आपको उर्दू में देखनी है तो सब्सक्राइब कर ले।